Our life depends on the ocean. 70% of the oxygen we breathe comes from it. Yet, around 8 million pieces of plastic enters our ocean every day. That means the equivalent to a truck full of garbage every minute. Now, it's up to us to fight this problem. It's up to us to stop plastic pollution. Our life depends on the ocean, and so does the ocean's survival depend on us. We are committed to reducing the trillions of plastic pieces afloat in our ocean and beaches by transforming it into swimwear. Made of marine plastic and post-consumer plastic from land sources, our swimwear is ethically and responsibly created in Europe from concept to delivery. Timeless, minimalistic, and with an elegant design, the Salty Circle swimwear is made to be by your side for a long time. Join the Salty Circle and help us fight plastic pollution. From the ocean to the ocean.